In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up my Progressive commercial insurance. To get started, head over to Progressive and choose the type of commercial insurance you need. This is an important first step because the setup process can vary depending on your business. For example, you might be looking for commercial auto insurance, trucking insurance, or another type of business policy. Taking a moment to select the right category will help make sure the quote and coverage options are relevant to your situation. Before you go too far, gather your business information so the application goes smoothly. You'll typically want to have your business name and address ready, along with your business type, how many years you've been operating, and the number of employees if that applies to you. Having this information prepared in advance can save time and help you avoid mistakes during setup. If you're applying for a commercial auto policy, the next part is providing vehicle and driver information. You'll need details for each vehicle, including the year, make, model, and VIN. You'll also need driver information such as license details and driving history. Be ready to explain how the vehicles are used for business, since that can affect the type of policy and pricing you're offered. The more accurate you are here, the better your policy can match your actual business use. Once that's done, select your coverage. Depending on your business needs, you may be able to choose from liability coverage, collision, comprehensive, uninsured or underinsured motorist coverage where available, as well as hired and non-owned auto coverage and other optional commercial protections. This is where it helps to think carefully about your day-to-day operations, your level of risk, and the kind of protection you want in place. After choosing coverage, review everything carefully before purchasing the policy. Double-check your coverage limits, deductibles, and premiums so you understand exactly what you're getting. Then choose the policy's effective date and make your initial payment to activate coverage. Once your policy is active, access it online by creating or signing in to your Progressive account. From there, you can view your policy, get insurance ID cards, make payments, update your information, and manage your coverage whenever needed. Finally, keep your policy up to date as your business changes. If you add or remove vehicles or drivers, make sure your policy reflects that. It's also a good idea